Engaging Men and Boys in Gender Equality in Georgia.
My NGO is working for sexual education in the United States.
Safe Births in Portugal.
Working on HIV and AIDS.
Sexual reproductive health in Peru.
Ending gender-based violence in India.
I'm working for HIV AIDS. For
Urbanization in Sri Lanka.
Young professionals and leaders in gender equality.
Are you feeling stressed? Are you feeling overwhelmed, confused? Well, you're not alone. This is how many development workers and organizations feel when attempting to assess and implement projects. That is why the United Nations Population Fund challenged our team this year.
The UNFPA works in 155 countries, and they support tens of thousands of projects and programs each year. However, the process of scaling up successful projects is still an obstacle. That's why the UNFPA challenged our team to come up with a universal model for scaling that tailors to local contexts. Our challenge is essentially one of transformation. It's about how can we get innovative ideas and transform them into mainstream programming. The first step was to come up with a mechanism that could organize a substantial amount of ideas, projects, and lessons learned into one single platform. Our solution has three characteristic innovations. It's browsable, it's searchable, and it's commensurable. It's browsable. What does this mean? It means that one can easily peruse for a project, for a platform, to see what has worked before, what hasn't worked, so that in a way that one can serendipitously arrive to a solution that is perfect for you. It's searchable. One can efficiently and accurately look for programs based on your specific needs. And finally, it's commensurable, a big word for a big innovation. This means that development workers using our platform can actually evaluate the potential for success of their specific projects immediately.
That is why our team worked with a software engineer from Google to design and create a prototype. Our prototype is a web-based platform that gives us a glimpse of what a final product could look like. The prototype is based on the information provided by the UNFPA, but you can also tailor it to your specific needs depending on the development organization. So this is our homepage. These are the 4 identified topic areas of the UNFPA. Users can browse through these topics, such as human rights and gender equality. If we click on that, that brings you to the target methods page. Projects are divided into different types of topics, such as media-oriented. Once you click on your target method, you arrive upon different existing projects, ideas, suspended projects, or lessons learned. But another way to get here is by using our advanced search mechanism in the top right corner. This allows users to specifically identify things that they have and or want in a project: country, language, budget, etc. So let's look at a project. For example, the Fathers TV show. The project description page gives you basic information about the project, as well as similar projects that are on this bottom toolbar, in case this project doesn't really meet your needs, but it's close. The most important part of this description page, however, is the project replication checklist. This is that commensurable aspect of our solution. It has 2 separate characteristics. The first half is divided into infrastructural and technical elements that are needed for the project to be successful. And the bottom half are answers that don't really fit into a box. It's more of a scale. Those are sociocultural elements, such as the ability of a culture to emulate reality TV. Based on the results of the responses of users, you're given a score of red, yellow, or green. Green meaning this could be replicated successfully based on your responses. Yellow could be replicated, but you're gonna have to make a few changes. And red, it probably can't be replicated unless you change a lot about it. These necessary elements are identified by project creators when they input their projects into the system using the Create a Project tool. This tool has essential information such as the name, description, images, etc. But most importantly, it has the addition of the checklist. So people who created the projects themselves are inputting what they identify as the most important. We believe that this is the best solution to the challenge that the UNFPA gave to us. This is because it can be implemented both easily and affordably. So the costs of the implementation of this are pretty low because we've already done the majority of the coding. It should only be about $5,000 US at the most to implement it, with $500 a year in maintenance. The time frame is less than 6 months, and that's only for the inputting of project ideas because the coding is already done. Thank you very much for your attention.
Okay. Hello. Yes. Time for the questions. You ready? To which other solutions have been your inspiration for creating this one?
I'd like to know how you will keep the platform updated.
Yeah, basically I have the same question. How do you make sure that the people concerned do contribute to the website, to the platform?
Okay, so first of all, this is only a platform that is in the UNFPA system, and it is based in the New York office. So basically, the New York office sends the request to all their country offices as part of their program.
But with that said, it could be implemented in different organizations, but it's currently designed within the UNFPA framework. Additionally, the Create a Project mechanism is meant to be not only an input process, but also an application process. So that is how we're going to keep development workers using this system. They have to use it to apply as well as just to search for projects.
And the other question about the other solutions, we really came up with this solution because it's so simple, but apparently no one has come up with it. And it's a real issue in a lot of UN organizations that we've been talking to.